Which is worse, emotional cheating or physical cheating?
I would rather have my partner cheat on me physically than emotionally.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay.
Which is worse, emotional cheating or physical cheating?
Physical.
Physical cheating.
Emotional.
Which is worse? I think
Emotional cheating, not physical cheating.
I think
Both are at the same level.
I guess physical cheating is more worse.
Emotional cheating.
Physical cheating.
Definitely emotional cheating because
Look, I think physical cheating is worse.
I think both.
Which is worst? Honestly, emotional cheating is worse than physical cheating, but
Actually,
I guess I would say
physical cheating.
Physical cheating, I think it is my opinion that it is the worst.
because you don't even think of that person anymore and you're like,
I think both are bad.
Not emotional? Why?
the same thing. Like if you are with a girl, you have to be.
Why?
I think
Emotional cheating is worse, although both are bad.
it's also one thing that
इमोशनल चीटिंग ज़्यादा बुरी है.
because women, I would say, are more driven emotionally.
Because you are sleeping with someone else when you already have a girl. So
Why?
because emotions, as I have already said, that they create your relationship.
बिकॉज अगर तुम फिजिकली चीट कर रहे हो किसी पे तो तुम इमोशनली अवेलेबल नहीं हो.
फिजिकल इट्स जस्ट बॉडी, लेकिन इमोशनल आप किसी से कनेक्ट करो.
Because emotions are something which a lot of times go array.
Because physical cheating भी ऐसे तो हो नहीं जाती, emotionally भी उसमें attached होता ही है एक.
Both are wrong.
Why is that?
Emotional in the sense.
इमोशनल चीटिंग, बिकॉज इमोशनल चीटिंग अगर आप इमोशनल चीटिंग कर भी रहे हो तो लाइक मतलब
So emotional cheating हुई तो आप माफ करके आगे बढ़ जाएंगे.
Because emotional cheating, yeah, it is also very bad, but
Being with someone else, so that is
Even if you physically cheat someone, emotional cheating उसके बाद आ ही जाएगी.
Maybe both
Pick one.
With her like wholeheartedly.
takes place with time.
Don't do it. But I'd say emotional cheating is worse.
You realize how emotionally unavailable your partner thought for yourself to be.
बिकॉज फिजिकल चीटिंग भी बुरी है बट इमोशनल ज़्यादा है.
So emotional cheating plays a role in their life.
and if you're not able to emotionally trust your partner,
उसके लिए ऑलरेडी.
So that is a whole different thing. That is why I believe कि
And it's not always in the control of the person.
Aspect. And emotional cheating is, again, you're already thinking about somebody else.
Actually, emotional cheating gets you to some serious illness.
Emotional cheating, are you asking?
Yeah, I'm asking, like, emotional cheating कैसा होता है?
आप उसके मेंटली और इमोशनली उसके साथ दोनों से मतलब कह सकते हो आप उसको बिगाड़ रहे हो.
हाँ, मैं second chance उसके लिए दे सकता हूँ.
physical cheating is like the last is the baddest thing, worst thing it is.
way worse than physical.
And emotionally cheat कर रहे हो तब भी problem है.
Physical.
Emotional cheating, I believe.
Effort, connection for them to go that way. I mean, that's not really a justification to it.
क्योंकि फिजिकल चीटिंग एक बारी को ठीक भी हो सकती है बट इमोशनल चीटिंग जो है वो लाइफ टाइम उस पर्सन की.
By cheating, they might feel that their partner is not good enough.
And if you are emotionally cheated upon or cheat upon somebody,
platonic relationships are way more deep and profound than romantic relationships.
Who is feeling those emotions?
But if I had to choose one, physical cheating.
And it creates a long-term impact.
I don't know. You figure it out.
रिलेशनशिप बिगाड़ रहे हो. फिजिकल चीटिंग करनी है तो फिर आप मतलब एक टाइम को शायद वो माफ भी कर दे बट नहीं.
physically तुम थोड़ा सा हो सकते हो आगे पीछे.
तो emotionally cheating तो is the worst, I would say.
Why?
I don't like my men to go and be physical with any other woman.
It can be like it can be an excuse.
Heart-to-heart talks, late night talks, and physical is very in the moment. But that is one thought that would definitely come to your mind. It's a very bad situation and a very overwhelming situation to be in.
ब्रेन में स्टक रहती है, वो ब्रेन में उसकी पूरी जिंदगी रहती है. जब वो जहाँ भी जाएगा.
And also physical cheating for both for men and women that are equally treated, that physical isn't good.
I think that really stalls and hinders the entire process of.
But physical cheating is something that you do with your own body.
Like, यूजुअली जो चीटिंग होती है वो फिजिकली होती है.
अगर आप अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ इमोशनली या फिर मेंटली चीटिंग कर भी रहे हो तो फिर वो एक्चुअली उसके
तभी तुम्हारा माइंड
Physically as well, it's the worst, but emotional is more.
But you also said if you cheated, you won't tell your men.
But physical cheating can never be an excuse.
You did it, you are out of it. I would rather have my partner cheat on me physically than emotionally.
उसका वो ट्रस्ट जो है वो बिल्कुल ब्रेक शैटर्ड हो चुका होगा.
So I don't think so there is any particular, okay, if you're doing emotional, the development of relationship.
And a body is far more in control.
उसकी पर्सनैलिटी खराब हो जाएगी, उसका मतलब
आगे पीछे जा सकता है, but yeah.
I told you, like, अगर
It basically means you have
And emotional actually takes a lot of time of yours.
इस वजह से इमोशनल चीटिंग ज़्यादा किसी पर्सन को इम्पैक्ट करती है.
It's not a big deal, it's both are a big deal. Because cheating is cheating after all. And it leaves both the partners very drained emotionally and very confused about where they are in their relationship.
Then emotions or brain is
More emotionally manipulative.
क्या कहते हैं थिंकिंग वे खराब हो सकता है उसका, वही है.
Emotional cheating though, it's all conscious.
वैसे तो मैं करूँगी ही नहीं, but
done it with your whole mind and heart open.
So I think emotional.
rather a physical cheating. So I think physical cheating is worse because you have better control over your body.
And like when they're kind of sharing feelings.
कि आप उसको मतलब एक अलग तरीके से मैनिपुलेट ही कर रहे हो बेसिकली, तो रिलेशनशिप खराब ही होएगा उसमें, और कुछ नहीं है.
if I ever did, मैं नहीं बताऊँगी.
So yeah, physical cheating is more worse than emotional cheating.
But not with you, but with somebody else while being in a relationship with you. So that's kind of an emotional cheating.
Okay. Well, according to me, physical cheating leads to emotional cheating. If किसी से आप physical cheating हो रही है आपके ऊपर, तो वो एक तरीके से emotionally भी आपको affect करेगा. And if मेरा boyfriend है and he's hooking up with some girls, but उसकी feelings नहीं है उसको, तो वो भी बुरा होगा. But if वो मेरे साथ relationship में है and उसको किसी और के लिए feelings आ रही है, वो किसी और से he's actually in love, तो yeah, I think that would be more worse.